Hey there, social media enthusiasts. Did you know that there's a startling fact about social media that's affecting our mental health? It's something many of us experience every day, and the impact can be surprising. But don't worry, we've got some exciting solutions to share with you today that can make a real difference in your well-being. Your social media usage might be excessive if it is getting in the way of other activities like going outside, exercising, talking to family and friends, and, perhaps most important, sleeping. Being mindful of how we use social media is challenging. Stay with us to discover the simple tips you can apply right now to overcome this issue. Ready to take control? Let's get started. 1. Set boundaries. Establish clear boundaries for your social media usage. Determine specific times of day when you'll engage with these platforms and stick to them. Avoid checking social media first thing in the morning or right before bed. Setting limits on your usage can prevent the overconsumption of content that may affect your mental well-being. 2. Curate your feed. Take control of your social media experience by curating your feed. Unfollow or mute accounts that consistently make you feel anxious, envious, or negative. Instead, follow accounts that inspire, educate, or bring positivity to your life. The content you see can have a significant impact on your emotional state. 3. Practice digital detoxes. Regularly schedule short breaks or even full days without social media. A digital detox can help you reset and reduce the constant stimulation that these platforms can provide. Use this time to engage in offline activities, connect with nature, or simply unwind without the distractions of your screens. 4. Mindful scrolling. Before scrolling through your social media feeds, pause and check in with your emotions. Are you in a positive and receptive state of mind? Practicing mindfulness in this way can help you be more aware of how the content you encounter affects your feelings. If you find yourself feeling stressed or anxious, it might be a good time to take a break. 5. Engage positively. When you do engage with social media, be conscious of your interactions. Promote positivity and constructive dialogue. Encourage, support, and uplift others. Avoid engaging in arguments or heated debates that can lead to unnecessary stress. Remember that your online interactions impact not only your mental health, but also the mental health of others. By implementing these tips, you can enjoy the benefits of social media while protecting your mental health and well-being. Remember that it's essential to listen to your own feelings and adjust your social media habits accordingly.